Great design is the outcome of collective creativity. In this Bezi 101 lesson, we'll review how to create teams in Bezi and what you can accomplish with a team library. Before we set up a team, let's talk about the advantages of having one in Bezi. Any member who's in a team can have access to any file, material style, and component created within the team folder. This makes it easy to create a series of assets hosted in the team library that gets updated when another team member adjusts that asset. Moreover, invites do not need to be sent out each time a new file is created, making it easier to share your work with your team. Now let's set up a team. In the home screen on the left column, create a new team. Then give this team a new name. From here, you can add members to your team with an email invite. That's it, you now have a team. As a team owner, you're free to add or remove team members, or even delete the team. From within a team, you can create a new file. At any time, any member of the team can access any file in this team folder and even work alongside you in real time through Bezi's multiplayer features. If you created a file outside of a team, for example in your drafts, you can drag and drop that file onto the team folder. Being able to share files within teams is just one of the ways Bezi facilitates easier collaboration. Now that you have a team set up, let's explore something even more powerful, the team library. Any file within a team will have access to any material style and component created within a team folder. This is particularly useful if you have multiple files dedicated to pieces of the same game or app, as these often require using the same assets. Sharing in this way ensures you're always using the most up-to-date version of a shared component. You can use material styles and components in the team library just like you would normally with an individual file. Check out the Bezi 101 lesson on it. Intuitive collaboration is key to unlocking your team's full creative potential. Bezi's teams and team library are purpose-built to help keep your assets up-to-date and accessible to everyone in your team. We're almost to the end of the Bezi 101 tutorial series. As we release new features, look out for more tool-specific tutorials and content to come. We'll see you there.